So today's our topic is properties of beta particles. So beta particles, which is made up of 1 minus 1 is 0, but beta have two type of particle, electron as well as positron. So this is called beta negative and this is called beta positive. Both have same masses. Charges are also same. That's why electron is antiparticle of positron because of positive charge, right? So beta particle, always these electron are coming outside of the atom, right? Because the electron is moving around the nucleus, so it is outside the nucleus. Now see these two decays that we have in beta particles. Now charges for this, charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. For this positive 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Mass of electron 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram. Because mass don't have positive or negative, both have similar mass. Their spins are different, right? That's why beta negative and beta positive. Now beta particles, see, it is very less in mass as compared to alpha particles that we know, right? So that's why beta particles can penetrate more than alpha particles. So if we are talking about ionization power of beta particle, so beta particle ionization power is equal to alpha by 100, because alpha having more charges, that's why alpha having more ionization power, and beta is equal to 100 times of gamma particles. And now we are talking about penetration power. So for penetration power it is completely opposite. Beta is equal to 100 into alpha, but here beta is equal to gamma by 100. So beta can penetrate more, and that penetration distance is approximately 5 centimeter in a thick sheet plate, right? It is aluminum foil. For aluminum foil also beta particle can penetrate till up to 5 centimeter. Now beta particle gives fluorescent effect. Fluorescent effect to the fluorescent material. Because of beta particle can penetrate more, that's why it is more dangerous than alpha particle. So more dangerous than alpha particle, right? So that is more dangerous than alpha particles. See, beta particle speed is more than alpha particle that we know, and also beta particles can give effect, can give deflection in electric field and magnetic field. Because see, beta particles, we know that it is made up of electrons or positron. So either charge gives effect, gives deflection in electric field and magnetic field, both the fields. So these are the properties of beta particles.